This is a video solution for problem number 4 from October 2007, the Junior Contest on Probability. The probability that the Burros will win a football game is 0.65. The probability that the Burros will have more passing yards than their opponent is 0.25. If the Burros have more passing yards than their opponent, then the probability that they win is 0.91. If the Burros win, what is the probability that they will have more passing yards than their opponent? So I started by writing down all the information that we have. We know that the probability that our team will win is 0.65. We know that the probability that they will have more passing yards than their opponent is 0.25. So I used W to mean win and more passing yards to be M. We also know that given they have more passing yards, the probability that they will win is 0.91. We're looking for, if they win, what's the probability that they have more passing yards? Okay, so we're going to notice that our two conditional probabilities are the same, but the events are switched. So I'm going to start with the conditional probability that we are given. This is going to be the probability of winning and having more passing yards over the probability of more passing yards. And that's just the definition of conditional probability. Okay, so substituting, I have 0.91 is the probability of winning and having more passing yards over probability of more passing yards, which is 0.25. Now, if I multiply 0.91 and 0.25, I get the probability of winning and having more passing yards to be 0.2275. Now, you may be asking yourself, why would she bother doing this? Well, I'm going to need that in my other conditional probability. So here I get the probability of having more passing yards given that I win to be the probability of more and win over the probability of winning. So this is going to be 0.2275 divided by the probability of winning, which is 0.65. That simplifies to be 0.35, which is 7/20.